Bro, what's your plan after graduation?
I don't know, man. Jobs are hard to find nowadays.
Honestly, I'm stressed. Everybody's applying for a job and the competition is too high.
Exactly, and I don't want an erased job. I want something unique.
Look at this international cruise ship hospitality program.
International cruise ship, like working abroad. Really?
Yes, with 100% placement assistance.
So where is it?
Here at Initial Foundation Dimapur, Nagaland.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till you